This is Sai Prasad, and today we are going to discuss about the accounting concepts. And these accounting concepts are the generally accepted accounting principles. In a short form, we will call it GAAP. G means generally accepted accounting principles, and these are commonly accepted by the whole accounting concepts. And later, coming to who are all uses these accounting statements, means I refer to users. Means first comes the investors. If you are making any journal or anything, investors refer those things. And later, lenders means like banks or whoever give the loan to the companies and these things. Later, management, suppliers and trade creditors, and later government, customers, employees, public, and so on. We are going to discuss four types of concepts. Those are business entity concept, first one, and the second one is going concern concept, and the third one is dual aspect concept, and the final one is money measurement concept.
Hello friends, now I am going to explain you about business entity or separate entity concept. The business entity concept, it implies that the owner and the business, they both are treated as two different entities. Being said that they have two viewpoints. One is the accounting viewpoint and other is the legal viewpoint. In the accounting viewpoint, the owner and the business are considered as two different entities according to this accounting viewpoint. But on the other hand, in legal viewpoint, we have two types. One is the sole proprietorship or sole enterprise with the partnership business, and other one is the LLC, that is the limited liability company. Under the sole enterprise, they include in this legal entity, legal viewpoint, they are like the business and the owner, they both are one. In case the business is incurring some loss, the owner can use his own personal belongings to fulfill those incurred loss. But on the other hand, in case of LLC, in LLC it's not the same. If the business is incurring some loss, the owner cannot use his personal belongings to rectify those errors.
Hi guys, I'm gonna explain you about going concern concept. The going concern concept enforces that once a business is started, the businessman or the owner foresees to continue it for a significantly long time period, which might even be an infinite time period. This manifests that fact that business will never get closed. However, there are many incidences like amalgamation, merger, spin-off or sell-off when proprietorship or ownership might change, but the business continues forever. The business enterprise dies only when the owner decides to close it.
Now I will discuss about dual aspect concept. Every monetary transaction affects minimum two accounts, and this effects on both the accounts is equal. The dual aspect concept helps in establishing the principle of matching concept. It emphasizes the total sum of assets and liabilities matches. For every monetary transaction, there are two but equal effects. One is debt and another is credit, and thus helps in establishing the balance sheet equation, that is total liabilities equal to total assets.
Hello friends, as my friends have told you about different concepts of accounting, now I am going to tell you about money measurement concept. What we record in the books of accounts that be measurable in monetary terms are transactions which may be important for the business organization but cannot be recorded in the books of accounts. If it cannot be measured in monetary terms with precision, a transaction is nothing but the exchange of commitment between two parties. For example, a key managerial personnel resigns from the company, and due to this the company might suffer a loss of sales and profit, but it cannot be recorded in the books of accounts as it is an imaginary thing. However, the amount of monetary compensation to be paid to that employee in the form of gratuity, leave encashment and the other benefits are to be recorded in the books of accounts. So that's all about the money measurement concept. Thank you.